I welcome you all to today's class. Today we are going to do a comparative study between the three important flowering plant families: Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae. The lecture will be in two different halves. In this first half, we will be focusing on the vegetative characteristics. In the next video, we will be talking about the floral characteristics. So let's get started. In Fabaceae, it was also previously called Papilionoideae. It mainly constitutes the legumes like peas, gram, arhar, and they are found throughout the world. Solanaceae is also called the potato family, and it's mainly found in the tropics and the subtropic areas of the globe. Liliaceae is obviously called the lily family and also found throughout the world. So, the habit of Fabaceae are trees, herbs, shrubs and climbers. Solanaceae, however, are mainly herbs and shrubs. They can also be small trees. Liliaceae are perennial herbs. The term perennial means that they live for more than 2 years. And they also have underground bulbs, corms, rhizomes. Now let's come to the root system. The root system are of two types, mainly the taproot system and the adventitious or the fibrous root system. Both Fabaceae and Solanaceae have a taproot system. However, there is a very key difference that Fabaceae have root nodules, which consist of nitrogen fixing bacteria called rhizobium, which is absent in Solanaceae. Liliaceae have a fibrous or adventitious root system where the roots kind of radiate from a single point. Now let's come to stems. The stem systems are erect or climbers in Fabaceae, herbaceous mainly in Solanaceae. They are aerial, however there is an exception that underground stems are found in potato. They are erect, cylindrical, solid or hollow, branched, hairy or glabrous. Glabrous obviously means the lack of hair. And in Liliaceae, they can be aerial or underground. They are herbaceous or woody. Now let's come to the next part, which is leaves. Leaves can be easily remembered by simply drawing them. So the arrangement of leaves, if this is a stem, the arrangement of leaves is alternate. Okay, and leaves are pinnately compound in Fabaceae. So this is a pinnately compound leaf. Schematic diagram of a pinnately compound leaf. So this is actually a whole leaf. This one is a whole leaf. This is another one. So as you can see that they are alternatively arranged. So the leaves are simple in Solanaceae. So this is a simple leaf, and these are basal and linear in Liliaceae. Fabaceae can also be rarely simple, which is very rarely found. Now let's come to a very important structure or a concept of stipule. If this is a stem and this is a leaf, this point is called the leaf base. If at the leaf base we find small leaflet or leaf-like structures, then they are called stipules. If stipules are present, then they are called stipulate. Stipulate are Fabaceae, and if stipules are absent, they are called exstipulate, which is Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Now let's come to another important concept of venation. We know that there are two types of venations, reticulate venations and parallel venation. This is a reticulate venation and this is a parallel venation. How to remember? It's important to know that liliaceae are monocotyledons, and only in monocotyledons we found this thing called parallel venation. However, this reticulate venation is found in dicotyledons. So the dicotyledons are Fabaceae and Solanaceae, and liliaceae are monocotyledons. Another thing is pulvinus. Let's do it with another different color. Pulvinus is a swelling. This is a swelling which is found at the leaf base, this one. If a swelling is present at the leaf base, then it is called pulvinus, and if pulvinus is present, it's pulvinate. So pulvinate leaves are found in Fabaceae. So that's all. Now if we revise, the habit are trees, herbs and shrubs in Fabaceae. Solanaceae are mainly herbs and shrubs. They can also be small trees. Liliaceae are perennial herbs because they last for more than 2 years. The root system is a tap root system. The difference is in nodule, root nodules present in Fabaceae, which is absent in Solanaceae. Liliaceae have an adventitious or a fibrous root system. Fabaceae are erect. The Solanaceae is a very easy one. It's herbaceous, rarely woody, aerial. However, you have to remember that underground stems are also present in Solanaceae. Liliaceae are aerial or underground, herbaceous or woody. Now let's come to leaves. All the leaves are alternately arranged. It's on all the three of them. Pinnately compound are found in Fabaceae. This is pinnately compound leaf. They can also be rarely simple. This is a simple leaf in Solanaceae, and liliaceae have linear and basal leaves. This is stipule. This is a stipule present at the base of leaf, which is present in Fabaceae, and this is a pulvinus, and if pulvinus is present, it's pulvinate. It's present in Fabaceae. Most important part is venation. Now we find reticulate venation in Fabaceae and Solanaceae and parallel venations in liliaceae. So that's all. The important part is obviously leaves, and in the next video we'll be talking about the floral characteristics.
Thank you so much for listening.